Yo, what's going on, y'all? Another trade recap. Honestly, I'm just making these for it's documentation of my first month, like really trading on the funded account. You know, I think it'll be nice to look back at, and yeah. So let's basically go through what was going on today. Okay, so coming into the morning, right? I noticed we have this buy side liquidity sitting inside a 4-hour gap, and we have this 4-hour gap right below here. Now, in my head, I'm thinking, yo, this 4 hour is gonna get hit because ES is bouncing off of this 4. So the next draw is super clear that we're gonna go to this 4 hour, right? Why is this moved? Okay. Now, because of that, we drop down in lower time frame. We inversed this 1 hour, but like I'm still thinking like, yo, the 4 hours just like it has more weight. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Wait, this didn't take too long. Okay, so 9:30, not yet. 9:30 comes along. So we already took out that 4 hour, right? And I don't think yes took it out at that time. Okay, I lied. We did. So I was thinking, okay, well, if this is the case, where are we gonna go? Printed the candle, but I was thinking, yo, if we take out this 4, how much higher can we go? And I listed out this 4 hour gap right here. And now that we have that 4 hour gap open, I was thinking, okay, maybe we come back, tap this 1 hour, and then I can look for longs. That's what I was hoping for. Did not play out. I was like, okay, that's fine, right? Now we hit into that 4 hour gap that I had earlier, okay? And I was kind of looking for continuations longs. Like I was looking for like, yo, if we tap back down to 5, I'm a long. Now right here, I actually low-key took something here. See, we bounce off this 5, and I'm thinking, yo, maybe we can go even higher. But this was kind of like further away, these stacked highs. And I was like, I'm not really that convinced that. Why do I have that? Is that a daily? Oh yeah, it's like a volume balance. So I was thinking like, yo, we're still kind of far away, super premiumed up, have no retrace. Like, are we really just gonna shoot up to that? So I was like, nah, like we're super premium and all that. So I was like, I actually entered. Okay, you'll see in the screenshot. I entered off this inversion right here. Entered out this, went break even low key right away because I realized, okay, yeah, nah, that's not happening. And I noticed on ES, right, although we hit it now, we're still in this gap. So we're still in this 4 hour gap right here. So I was thinking, okay, maybe there could be a chance that once we took out like these highs, right, and we're still kind of moving our way up, maybe we can look for a small reversal because no way price is just gonna run up straight like that. Okay. So I think I took it off the 2 minute. So in my head, I'm like, okay, this is supporting, but I'm thinking we should have a retracement before we go up. And when we get this inversion right there, that's where I entered off this 2 minute. And I was targeting, and then once price tap back into this 5 minute, I went break even just in case I was wrong because like the bullish was seeming nice. Bro, I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah. So once we tap back here, I went break even. Actually almost stopped me out right there. Got mad scared, but price played out. And we take that. Here's the screenshot of it. Went long here, 2 contracts, realized I messed up, and then going short there. Okay. I actually wanted to make an update. I did take a loss on Monday as well. Now this loss was, bro, when your mental's cooked, just don't trade, bro. I had clear conviction on this day that we were moving towards the downside because we were holding, what is this? What is 1 hour? Sweep London, huge displacement down. We had to retrace back into the 5, pretty sure this 5 minute. Tap back into the 5 minute. Once we're in here, when we inverse this gap, photo's so like small for y'all to see. Yes. Once we inverse this gap right here, I went short. Now, I don't know what I was doing. My stop should have been up here. You see how there's two, you know, thingies? I don't know what's called. I put it right here because I was thinking, yo, it's not gonna like displace out of this wick because this is pretty wicky. And then I get stopped and then we just run to my target. So this was a trade on Monday. This was super unfortunate because this low-key should have been a win. But yeah, things happen, so that's why it's very important, Johnny, that you follow your rules. Okay, and yeah, I'm probably gonna make a 1 month update video when I'm done this month of my first month of trading, and yeah, just to update the progress of how things have been. So